Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I tinker with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you can click on the links in the comment section below. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. This video also has tips and tricks that I've learned over the years. So, thank you very much for watching. On my way out to do another data log on my car. I think this is the fourth one, just to get past the first level. The first data log I did, I had the wrong tune. That wasn't no good. So it sent me another tune. Then I did a data log, forgot to hook up the boost line. That wasn't no good. So I did another data log with the boost line connected and sent that in. That one was corrupt. So now I'm going to do the fourth one. So you got to be patient when you're doing all this tuning stuff. And this is how I look at it. I'm a pretty competent person when it comes to computers and cars. So if I have these issues, I feel sorry for the rest of you guys. Advanced Tuning recommended that I turn the dashboard off. That's the thing with all the gauges. On my computer, that stuff wasn't showing properly anyway. I think it has something to do with the resolution of my display. Also recommended closing all other programs, which I thought that stuff may have already been closed. But hey, I may have had the email web browser open. Also, about 5 minutes before I finished the data log, 2/3 into it, my computer screen went dark, so I think the display turned off, but I don't think it put the computer or program or hard drive into sleep. So I'm going to go ahead and do 2 data runs, save both of them. One is B, the other is C. Send them both to VAST. Hopefully I'll have a good one out of these next 2 runs. Came outside, parking lights were on. Man, I smashed this battery. Down to 0 volts. Of course, remote didn't work. Key didn't work. Well, key worked, but it only worked on the driver's door. So let's see if we can jump this thing, hit the road. You pull and pay. Don't think I drove long enough to charge up my car, but I'm gonna bump start it when I leave here. I'm also going to go in here just reconnaissance, see what's happening. There's a weird vehicle right there. Not sure what that is, but like some homemade stuff. But anyway, let's go see what they got in the junkyard. I'm gonna go Facebook Live. Going in the Home Depot. Check out wheel box size. I believe I'm looking for these 18 by 18 by 16 heavy duty. They got the, well actually these are a little bit smaller, 18 by 18 by 16 medium box, which is not heavy duty. I think I need the heavy duty one. Down here at the junkyard to help my buddy here get parts to fix his 240. He hit a deer while going through Oklahoma. Knocked it up pretty bad. A little bit. So we're going to get a couple of pieces in here. Try to get him where he can get this thing on the road and looking decent. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.